Are you a budding guitarist eager to master the strings and rock your way to stardom? As a rookie, it's easy to fall into common blunders that can hinder your progress and hold you back from reaching your full potential. But fear not. In this article, we will explore 5 of these blunders and provide you with practical tips on how to avoid them. So grab your guitar, tune those strings, and let's dive in. Blunder number 1. Neglecting proper technique. One of the most crucial aspects of becoming a skilled guitarist is mastering proper technique. Many rookies make the mistake of neglecting this aspect in their eagerness to play their favorite songs right away. However, without a solid foundation in technique, progress will be slow and frustrating. To avoid this blunder, take the time to learn correct hand positioning, finger placement, and posture from the start. Practice scales and exercises designed specifically for technique development. By doing so, you'll build a strong foundation that will enable you to tackle more complex pieces down the road. Blunder number 2. Skipping music theory. While learning music theory may seem daunting at first glance, it is an essential element for any aspiring guitarist. Some rookies make the mistake of skipping over this fundamental knowledge because they believe it is unnecessary or too complicated. However, understanding music theory allows you to grasp concepts such as chord progressions, scales, key signatures, and rhythm patterns more easily. It provides you with a roadmap for improvisation and songwriting while expanding your musical vocabulary. Don't shy away from music theory. Embrace it as an invaluable tool that will enhance your playing abilities tremendously. Blunder number 3. Overlooking ear training. Ear training is often overlooked by rookie guitarists who solely rely on tabs or sheet music when learning new songs or solos. While these resources can be helpful, developing your ear is crucial for honing your improvisation skills and playing by ear. By training your ears to recognize intervals, chords, and melodies, you'll become more versatile as a guitarist. Start by practicing simple exercises like identifying intervals or transcribing short melodies. Gradually increase the difficulty level as you progress. Blunder number 4. Lack of consistent practice. Consistency is key when it comes to mastering any skill, and playing the guitar is no exception. Many rookies make the mistake of sporadic practice sessions or not dedicating enough time to their instrument. To avoid this blunder, establish a regular practice routine that fits into your schedule. Set specific goals for each session and track your progress over time. Remember that even short daily practice sessions are more effective than infrequent long ones. Blunder number 5. Fear of making mistakes. Lastly, one common blunder among rookie guitarists is being afraid of making mistakes or sounding bad. It's important to remember that making mistakes is part of the learning process and an opportunity for growth. Embrace those imperfections as stepping stones towards improvement rather than letting them discourage you. The more comfortable you become with making mistakes, the faster you'll progress on your journey to becoming a skilled guitarist. In conclusion, mastering the guitar takes time, dedication, and avoiding common rookie blunders along the way. By focusing on proper technique from the start, embracing music theory and ear training, establishing consistent practice habits while overcoming fear of mistakes, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient guitarist ready to rock any stage. So pick up that guitar with confidence. With these tips in mind, let nothing hold you back from achieving greatness in mastering those strings. Go forth and rock.